Alright guys, today we're activating site search on our website and I didn't do it before, so I should be ashamed. But yeah, now we get to do it together, so double the joy, double the fun, right? And we're live, and we are going to go through site search in Google Analytics, which is underneath behavior. Here you go, site search, overview, boom. Here you can see everyone who has searched on your website, and as you can see here on my website, no one has used the search functionality. And I go onto my website, but there is a search functionality. Why? Why haven't people used it? Well, people might have used it, but I just haven't activated it yet. See here, usage, search terms, pages, you know. And why that might be useful to know, it's because people might be looking for specific types of content on your website. And if you are not offering that type of content, then just by looking at what they're searching for, that might give you an idea of what content to create. So it's a very good source for information when you're doing your content planning. It's also a good indicator as to what is your brand telling users that they should be finding on your website. And if you have that kind of content, then great. If you don't, then you better create it, because that's what people are expecting from you. And if you want to, do what people are expecting from you, which is one of the most important things to to beat expectations, essentially, you really need to pay attention to the site search. So it's good if you have activated it. Jasper. You activate it here under admin. You go to view settings, and it's very simple. Here you can see site search tracking off. You hit it on, and it says query parameter. Now what might that mean? Well, if you're on your site, you just go Jasper idiot like that, because I have been an idiot by not adding this. And here it is. Here it is. Question mark S. That's the query parameter. That's the query, and that's the parameter S. So what I do, I go back here and I hit it here, like that. Boom. See? Enter the query parameters you use on your site so analytics can identify your users' search queries. You can also select to have analytics strip those parameters from URLs in your report, blah, blah, blah. No. Let's just do this. You can also add categories here. We won't do that now because we didn't even do this to begin with. So we have no information as to whether or not we have to go so granular. So what we do here, we just add this and we hit save. Now what Google Analytics will do is that they will pick up success. They will pick up here, whenever I actually have some content on this. That's interesting. But what Google Analytics will pick up in this report then, to keep a bit serious here for a while, is that they will pick up the usage, what search terms, and what pages show up, or what pages they searched from, not what pages showed up in the search. And so you will get to understand more about what kind of content your visitors are looking for, and also what pages they start looking for it from. So if they start looking at stuff from this page, then you will know that it's this page that has triggered them to start searching. Okay. And that is, of course, a signal that they liked the page that they were on, but it was not quite. They believe that you might have the answer to the question, but it was not quite on the page that they landed on, which is a very good signal. Okay, I hope that helped. If it didn't help, then ask some questions in the question section below or in the comments here, and I will try to respond to them as soon as possible. Bye-bye.